Hi students, I wish you a very good morning and welcome back our online class Maths 6th standard. Students, today we are going to continue again our 4th chapter, that is basic geometric concepts. Okay. So in previous video, what are the related terms like what are the terms like line segment, line, point, yes, intersecting lines. So what are the concurrent points? What are so many related terms already you have studied. Yes, हमें लास्ट क्लास में ये जो रिलेटेड टर्म ऑलरेडी हमें स्टडी किया, लेकिन बच्चे again some more things like properties and related terms also we are going to learn. So in specially today we are going to learn about that rays. Already I have told, but once again I will repeat this. What is the ray and what are the properties of ray? ठीक है, and also what is the plane? Today we are going to learn. So बच्चे तुमको पता है क्या रे कैसा है, क्या है रे? Yeah, in our day to day life also we are observing that. Yes, from morning to up to evening also, and from evening also sometimes also up to morning we have feel in day to day life what are the rays, and we are observing that. Yes, what is that? Can you guess? Right. Yes, that is right. The sun rays from the morning we will observe, from morning to up to evening also we will feel or you will observe that sun rays. Yes, it is coming from the sun. Yes, that means it is starting point is there from the sun, and what is that end points we don't know, where up to infinite distance it is extending. Same like what is that? And in night time what you are observing, what is that rays? You have seen that students in your home or then the outside some electrical bulb is there. Yes, electrical bulb, whenever it will glow, at that time from that light is passing there, so the light is coming from the electrical bulb. That is also one of the ray, light ray. Okay, light ray is coming from the its bulb, electric bulb. ठीक है, so ये जो है ये क्या है, what are the properties? today हम in this video पे जाए करेंगे, सुनने के लिए जाए. ठीक है, मतलब I am ready to, I am going to explain about that. What are the ray and what are its properties? ठीक है, let us start about that. What is that ray first? So look at here students. First of all, ray, you should write down the definition. It is a part of line having one fixed end point and extending endlessly in the other direction. Okay, it is a part of line. That means suppose देखो बच्चे हमें इधर में I will explain to you. Already I have told what is that line. Okay, so what is that ray? Now it is all part of the line. इसका मतलब हमें कौन से का पार्ट लेंगे? Suppose उसको two parts हमेशा बना देंगे. तो from here suppose O, and from this part, this is called as OA. So this is from here to, if I will draw it, this is one part. So this is ray. That means one part. ठीक है, one of the part of that line means what is that ray? This is also one part, line में one part हो सकता है. ठीक है, and it has one fixed point, and another one point what is that? Extending other side what is that? Extending endless. So इसका मतलब it is starting, it has the origin, मतलब from where it is started, ना here. Okay, and it is traveling, it is moving infinite distance. Okay, मतलब it has the starting point but there is no end point. किधर end होगा there is no, we can't guess or we cannot find out. After infinite distance it will run. Okay, it will move. So that is called as a ray. It has a starting point but no end point. मतलब starting point क्या है? इधर है. सब इधर से इधर जा सकता, इधर से इधर जा सकता, उधर ऐसे जा सकते, इधर भी ऐसे जा सकते. लेकिन इधर किधर एंड पॉइंट किधर है हमको पता नहीं है. जो स्टार्टिंग पॉइंट है और उसका एंड पॉइंट नहीं है, इट इज ऑल्सो वन ऑफ द पार्ट लाइन, स्ट्रेट लाइन पाथ में जो रनिंग कर रहे उसको बोलते हैं रे. ठीक है, इट इज रिप्रेजेंटेड बाय OA और OB और OC. ऐसा लाइक दैट, मतलब कौन सा लेटर ऐसा लिख सकते हैं ओके. ठीक है, लेकिन सिंबल ऐसा देना है, एरो मार्क को एक साइड में एरो देना है, इसको बोलते हैं हमें रे का रिप्रेजेंटेशन. ठीक है, so look at the students about this. It is now a red line which I have shown to you. This is one line and like this one arrow. Okay, this is called as a ray. Examples: sun ray, rays of light from the electrical bulb. Okay, these are the examples of what is that ray. Did you understand friends? These are the examples of ray. Okay, what are the light is coming from the sun, that means sun it from starting it from sun, but where it will end हमको पता नहीं. ठीक है, it is called as a ray. Now we will discuss about that what are the properties friends. It has some properties, are three properties I have written. We have to see what are the first property. Let us see. Infinite number of rays can be drawn from a given point. What did you understand friends? Infinite rays मतलब infinite rays can draw from a point. one एक point से infinite rays can draw. That like if you see that suppose sun is one point focus, from that to infinite rays are coming. Now only one ray or two ray or 10 ray or 100 rays are coming. No, infinite rays are coming from the sun. Infinite rays are coming from the electrical bulb. So that means one from the one point, particular one point, it is we can draw infinite. What is that? Rays. ठीक है. One and only one ray can be drawn beginning at O and passing through a given point. Suppose if it will give you students if it will give you one point for you, suppose one point is there, it is one point O, another one point A. Through this, that means 2 points given to you, one initial point, another one point given. How many rays can you draw through these 2 points? That means through the 2 points we can draw only one ray. Did you understand friends? Through the 2 points we can draw only one ray. See, through this we can draw like this. Okay, and it has also one starting point. It has also one starting point. Then we can draw how many rays? One ray. ठीक है, if it has given one starting point and one point, then we can draw what is that? Only one ray. But if it has 2 points, then we can draw another one also ray, because if it will come like this, it is also another one ray. But especially if it has specified, it has given तुमको एक पर्टिकुलरली एक स्टार्टिंग पॉइंट दे दिया तो और एक पॉइंट दिया तो उसका अंदर में उसका थ्रू दिस 2 points we can draw only one ray. ठीक है. Next, that means if you draw this, we can draw like this figure. You can draw these are the rays. मतलब infinite rays are the coming from that. Yes, these are the infinite one point from the one point, this is O, and from so many infinite rays are coming from a one point. Second property क्या बोल रहे हैं? One and only one ray can be drawn from beginning at O passing through a given point. Suppose O is there one point given and passing through one point. That means through this we can draw only one ray. Second, third properties. Two rays OA and OB having the same initial point. Both का initial point same है. OA and OB, two rays having initial point क्या है? Same है, मतलब O is the initial point. And forming a line are known as opposite ray. उसको बोलते हैं, हमें जो दोनों को मिलाकर एक लाइन ड्रा कर सकते हैं उसको क्या बोलते हैं? हमें opposite ray. देखो बच्चे, हमें इधर पॉइंट दिया, ओके, ये एक रे है, इसका नाम क्या है? O सपोज A. ठीक है, और एक रे जिसका इनिशियल पॉइंट O, ओके, एंड B, मतलब O से B होगा ऐसा, एंड if we make one line, now it is make line, then this is called as opposite ray. OA का opposite ray, this is OB. but हमें ऐसा भी कर सकते बच्चे, हमें O से ऐसा करके if you will do also this is point O, ऐसा ड्रा कर सकते हैं और इधर से भी ड्रा कर सकते हैं, ऐसा हम कर सकते हैं, लेकिन ये ऑपोजिट नहीं है. ठीक है, मतलब हमें लाइन ड्रा नहीं हुआ, ये एंगल हो गया, लेकिन जब हम लाइन ड्रा करेंगे, एक स्ट्रेट लाइन ड्रा कर सकते, तो उसको वही टाइम पे हम नहीं बोल सकते these are the O and OB are the opposite. समझे क्या? ओ ए एंड ओ बी, ये दोनों को बोलेंगे ऑपोजिट रे। कब बोलेंगे ना, जब दो रे हैविंग द इनिशियल पॉइंट है, दोनों का इनिशियल पॉइंट ओ होना है, और क्या होना है, दोनों क्या है, लाइन भी फॉर्म करना है, एक लाइन स्ट्रेट लाइन बनाना है, नहीं तो एंगल हो जाएगा, एक स्ट्रेट लाइन बनाना है, तो वही टाइम पे हम बोलेंगे दो रेस आर क्या है, ऑपोजिट रे। समझे क्या? ठीक है। अभी विल डिस्कस अबाउट द स्टूडेंट्स व्हाट आर द प्लेन। व्हाट डू यू नो? प्लेन पता है क्या आपको? अच्छा बेटे, मैं थोड़ा चीज कुछ एग्जांपल बोलेंगे, तुम बोलना है वो क्या है। डू यू अंडरस्टैंड स्टूडेंट्स? इन योर हाउस, okay, in your room, your bedroom or kitchen room or whatever that room, one particular one room you have seen, what is that? What are the about the floor? That is called plane surface. Yes, smooth surface. Yes, हाँ, जो smooth surface और plane surface उसको बोलते हैं हमें plane. Yes, जो हमारा घर का जो चट्टान, जो घर का जो फ्लोर रहता, रूम का जो फ्लोर रहता, नहीं तो वॉल रहता, वो जो हमारा घर का जो वॉल प्लेन वॉल रहता, उसको हम क्या बोलते हैं? हमें प्लेन। हमारा ये व्हाइट बोर्ड क्या बोलते हैं हम उसको? प्लेन बोलते हैं। ठीक है, तो दीज आर द प्लेन स्मूथ सरफेस। ठीक है, मतलब ये जो प्लेन सरफेस क्या होता है, इन्फिनिट डिस्टेंस के लिए ऑल्सो एक्सटेंड हो सकता है। ठीक है, इन ऑल डायरेक्शन, दैट इज कॉल्ड एज अ प्लेन। ठीक है, आपको कंफ्यूज होगा बेटे क्या है, तो मतलब प्लेन क्या है? प्लेन मतलब क्या है? एक स्मूथ सरफेस। ओके, स्मूथ सरफेस जो इन्फिनिट डिस्टेंस तक वो एक्सटेंड हो सकता इन ऑल डायरेक्शन। देखिए डेफिनेशन पहले अंडरस्टैंड करो, तुमको समझ में। प्लेन इज डिफाइंड एज स्मूथ flat surface which extends indefinitely in all direction. मतलब this is one plane. Now I will make one rectangle here. Yes, this plane is on the, this rectangle is on the, what is that? Whiteboard. So rectangle is one plane surface. Yes, so this rectangular now is I drawn on the whiteboard. So these whiteboards are using one smooth surface and it is also one of the plane. Okay, where extent, that means infinite distance it is moving in all direction, also it is moving, that's why. So it is plane, it is now limited up to here, so it is also one of the plane surface or it is one of the smooth surface. Okay, examples, surface of a smooth wall, हमारा जो स्मूथ वॉल है, तुम्हारा घर का जो डिफरेंट एंगल का जो डिजाइन करते हैं वो नहीं, जो स्मूथ वॉल हो उसको भी एक हमें एग्जांपल ऑफ प्लेन बोलते हैं। सरफेस ऑफ द फ्लोर इन ए रूम, हमारा जो सरफेस रहता है उसको भी हमें बोलते हैं प्लेन। ठीक है बेटे, और हमारा व्हाइट बोर्ड ये भी एक एग्जांपल ऑफ प्लेन। ओके, थैंक यू ऑल स्टूडेंट्स। दीज आर अबाउट द स्पेशल रेस एंड प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ रेस एंड व्हाट इज द प्लेन्स। ओके, थैंक यू ऑल स्टूडेंट्स। You have to remember and you have to utilize in this what are the ray and examples in your day-to-day life. Thank you all of you. Have a nice day.